Does she know your criminal history? See, you didn't even answer that.
Yes, ma'am.
Does she know your gang affiliation?
Yes, ma'am.
And she still wants you living with her around a 14-year-old, a 10-year-old, and a 5-year-old. And I can tell you that 14-year-old knows everything that's going on, and she knows your gang affiliation based on your tattoos. The 10-year-old is a boy who's just trying to learn right from wrong, and you can't teach him that because you're not doing right. The 5-year-old doesn't really need you in your life because she's wondering, who is this guy that my mom just brought in the house? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And is she on section housing?
Oh, ma'am.
What area of town does she live in?
At the south side.
Yeah. You're not going to be allowed to live with her. You need to get a place of your own. And that's what I'm going to order. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Or either you can go live with your mom, but you're not going to be living with her.
Yes, ma'am.
And there are going to be field visits. And if I find out that you're living with her or seeing her, because there's going to be no contact, you can call her from the jail. If she answers your call from the jail, you need to tell her, I'm so sorry. The judge is no longer allowing me to have contact with you. And if you love her and she loves you, guess what? She'll wait for you until you're off probation, but you're not going to be living with her. So there's to be no unsupervised contact with his minor child. And there's to be no contact with other minors. And there's going to be intensive outpatient treatment. I'm going to want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. And I'm going to want field visits. And I'm sorry, no probation, I'm sorry, but until he's on gang supervision, they're going to have to do 4 field visits a month and tell him it needs to be random. Now, here's the thing. That's what I'm ordering. You can either accept this, or if you want to go to prison now, I'll send you to prison for 4 years. I know you bargained for 5. I'll give you 4 years if you don't want to do this.
I'll send you your probation thing.
All right. I'm going to tell you something else. Anytime there is a parent, it can be a mom, it could be a father. If they bring somebody into their household and they've only known them for that short time, they're probably not a good parent, because those children should come first, because those children cannot support themselves. And they just can't go out and say, hey, mom, why are you bringing this gang member up in the house? And with gang affiliation, there comes drama and trauma. And they don't need your friends knocking on the door, disrupting their routine. And another thing, did that head tattoo hurt when you were getting that done?
Oh, man.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am.
People told me, they're like, the head hurts, and anytime when you're doing the knuckles or ankles or anything that's bone on bone hurts. So you're saying none of that hurt?
It hurt.
All right, and what is this writing on your eyebrow?
About her name.
All right, you couldn't remember her name?
Man.
All right. I always tell people, if you're going to get a name tattoo, your mom and your children, because your mom always loves you, and you're always supposed to love your children. All right, good luck to you. Don't come back here for this foolishness again.